Artificial intelligence, AI, is increasingly being used in building management systems to optimize energy consumption, enhance occupant comfort, improve safety, and reduce operational costs. Here are some of the ways in which AI is being used in buildings. Energy management. AI algorithms can analyze data from various sensors and systems to optimize energy consumption. For instance, AI can be used to control heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, HVAC systems, lighting, and other energy-consuming devices in buildings. AI can also be used to identify energy-saving opportunities and provide recommendations to building managers. Occupant comfort. AI can be used to create personalized comfort settings for occupants. For example, AI algorithms can analyze the behavior of occupants and adjust the temperature, lighting, and other environmental conditions to suit individual preferences. AI can also be used to detect and respond to occupant complaints or issues. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe.